Now that we are done with generating our voiceover, in this section, I'm going to show you how to generate your AI images that you need for your story. We are going to be using this AI website to generate the prompt for our AI images. So you don't have to go through the stress of writing your image prompt by yourself. This website is going to do that for you. Let's move on. Go to your web browser, and from here, you are going to type in Microsoft Bing Image Creator. We'll make use of the first website that we see here. Please, let me explain this to you. There are different AI text to image that you can use to generate your image for your African folktales, but the one I mostly use is the Bing Image Creator. You can use Leonardo AI or any different AI website that generates image at all if it's suitable for you. But for this video, the one I use on different channels that I worked on is the Microsoft Bing Image Creator, and that is what I'm going to be demonstrating to you in this course. Click on the first link, then click on Join and Create. Sign in with a personal account. You'll be asked to sign in with your email address. So you can just enter your email address here or your phone number that you use in creating this, or if you don't have an account, you can click on Create One here. I'm going to sign in to my email account, and then we continue. The last time I signed in with my email address while recording the video, most of you have been using my email account and have been receiving notification concerning that. And when you are signed in as a free user, you'll be given 15 points per day. It's going to renew each day. So if you see here, you can see I have 100 points because I'm using the pro version of this Microsoft Bing. If you want to make use of the pro version, I have a video I did on that concerning how to subscribe for this. So you can simply watch that video. It's going to show up somewhere on the screen, so you can simply watch that video and make use of that. So now it's time for us to create our images, and to do that, we'll need the help of ChatGPT to generate image prompt for us so that we don't have to do this by ourselves. For us to do that, let's go over to ChatGPT first, then we'll start a new chat. Then from here, we go to our document, which is our script that we just generated. So I'm going to copy this entire script. Then we'll come over to ChatGPT. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste this script here. So what I will do is this. I will ask ChatGPT, we'll go up to the upside here. So I'll ask ChatGPT to do this for me. So this is the prompt. I'll leave all this prompt in this video description. So I'll ask ChatGPT, give me the names of each characters and village in the story. So this was I'll ask ChatGPT to do. So I'll send it. So this is what ChatGPT will bring. So it says here are the names of key characters and the village in the story. Then this is the village and this is the city. The main characters are Ada, a young woman worked in the nightclub and later started a movement to reclaim the village dignity. Key groups: wealthy businessmen, village elders, and community leaders. Women of the village, including young women and older widows who got involved in the nightclub scene. So they said the central theme revolves around the this and that. So this is the village and this is the city of the main characters in this particular story. Now, after getting the names of the characters in this story, we want ChatGPT to create a profile, because this profile that we are creating is going to help us maintain a bit of consistency in the image creation that we are going to be doing. So now in the text area here, just paste in this prompt. I'll provide you with the list with this prompt. So just paste in this prompt. This prompt says create a profile for each of the characters. Remember, they are all African Nigerian. Make it in form of an AI image prompt. Keep it short. I want to maintain consistency in the images. So if they are not African Nigerian, you can include the country inside here. So I'm going to send this. Wait guys, if you are watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel or you haven't liked this video, please, you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we are going to move forward. Now let's go on with our video. So these are the profile of each of these characters. So the Ada is a young Nigerian woman, mid-20s, determined expression, wearing a simple, vibrant Ankara dress with red and blue patterns, standing confidently in front of a small vocational training center in a rural setting. So what we are going to do is to copy this is to copy this. What I'm giving you in this course is the exact process I followed while creating my folktale story. So we are going to come down here and paste in this prompt, all these characters, all these we are going to paste in into our Microsoft Word, or if you are using Google Doc, you just paste in what we just copied. So I'm going to paste without formatting. So this is what we have. So the Ada, this is the prompt. So if you want Ada to be more than mid-20s, you can add the age, the exact age. So you can just go through each of these prompts. So let's just make this one bold. So we just format this so that we can know what we are doing. This is going to make our work easier. Okay, so we have this. This is Ada, and let's just make this, increase the font size so that you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so this is profile of Ada. All right, so we can add red and blue patterns, so we can decide on the kind of dress Ada is wearing, can decide the kind of hairstyle she's having, and these are the things that is going to help keep this image consistent. So what we are going to do now is to go back to ChatGPT. So what we'll do is to go back to our prompt, then we are going to copy this prompt step by step. So we can copy from, let's say we can copy this from, we can copy and stop here. So let's copy this, then we'll go over to ChatGPT and paste this inside here. Paste it inside the text area. So now we'll go to this prompt. Like I said, I'll leave this prompt for you. So we'll copy this prompt. Now give me an image prompt, include the character's profile for each paragraph. So I'm going to copy this prompt. Then I'll go over to ChatGPT. Then at the beginning of this text, I'll paste that prompt there. So I'll send it. And ChatGPT is going to give us image prompt for each of the paragraphs of this of our story. So the first paragraph, this is the image prompt. It said paragraph 1, Umwekwe's simplicity, a peaceful Nigerian village scene with lush green farmlands and calm rivers. The women dressed in traditional Ankara with modest design work together with baskets symbolizing the pride of the community. So what I'm going to do is to copy this prompt, this first one. So I'm going to copy this. So we'll copy it, then we'll go over to our script, and we are going to come down here and paste this under here. So we'll paste this here. So this is this prompt that we will need for the first paragraph. So let's just go up. So let's copy the profile of this young women. So women of the village, okay, a peaceful village dressed in farmland camp. The women dressed in this. So the women, we are going to say young Nigerian women in their late 10s to early 20s. So we'll copy this from this place. Copy it down. We'll come down here where it mentions women. So we are going to say, we are going to paste that there. So this is how you edit your image prompt. Middle-aged Nigerian women, some with head caps wearing simple Ankara dress. So you can see that early 20s. Then we can also copy the middle-aged Nigerian women. So we can copy this. Then the women, young Nigerian mid-20s. Then after this comma, we can also paste that there. So it comprises of the middle-aged and the elderly women. So now we are going to, at the end of this prompt, we add realistic because we want this image to be realistic. We also add HD image. Then we also add oily image. So you make sure you add this to at the end of each of your image prompt. So we are going to copy this entire prompt, copy this, then we'll go over to the website that we are using to generate our image. Any website at all that you are using. For this, I'm using Microsoft Bing. So I'm going to paste this here. Now I'm going to click on generate. I'm going to click on create rather to create this image. So you just hold on and this image is going to create for you. So you can see our image has been created. Click on each of them to take a full preview of how the image looks like. And you can take a preview of these images. click on this arrow and you see different images. It generates 4 images for you at first. So you can click on this download button if you want to download the image of your choice. You can click on this download button to download the images. So let's just download 4 of these images so that I can edit using these images for you. So let's download 4 of the images. So I'm going to edit this using these images. So you just edit that. So now we have downloaded those images. So let me show you how to generate the next script, the next paragraph, so that after this then you can do this by yourself. So the next paragraph 2 said new road to Izioke, a newly paved road connecting the rural village of Umwegwe to a distant village. Along the road, cars, trucks pass by while villagers dressed in a mix of traditional and wooden clothing stand observing the changes with curiosity and concern. So let's just copy this prompt. This is for paragraph 2. When we start editing our video, you will know why we need each of these paragraphs. So let's go back to here and we'll copy this and paste it here. So we'll paste it here. Okay. Now we are going to go into the profile of each of these scene. So like I said, this is the village, women of the village. So you need this and that. So let's go to ChatGPT again and we'll see what talks about the village. So we are going to go to our prompt, a newly paved road connecting the rural village of Umwengwe to distant city. Along the road, cars and this. So we're going to copy this now. We'll copy this. Then we'll go back to our image generator and then we'll paste in this prompt. Then we are going to click on create to create this image. And now that our image has been generated, you can click on each of them to take a preview of these images. So here is the first image. You can click on this download option to download this image. So I'm just going to download this image so that I'll show you when we get to the point of where we'll need to edit our video. I will also show you how to make use of this image to edit your video. So we have downloaded that image. So what you will do, I'm not going to show you all of this, but I've shown you how to generate your image. So we have generated image for 2 paragraphs. So you can continue the rest when you are generating your own story.